Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account with Google Ads. The benefits of Google Ads is you can position your products or services on Google search by bidding on things such as keywords. You can connect your e-commerce products through a feed to Google as well and sell through Google search. And so let's create this Google Ads account. So you just go to Google and let's Google Ads. And we want to click on the Google Ads section. And then you should make sure that you're signed into your Gmail or Google account first. That's going to help. And when you click sign in, it'll tell me actually that the account has not been set up. And so I'm going to go ahead and create a new Google Ads account. So let's go to Google Ads. And now it's going to create a new customer ID account, and it's going to actually try to set up a smart campaign first, which I don't want it to do. And so I'm going to just go through this process of setting up this account, and I want to make a note of this particular page just in case I need to contact them for help. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and screenshot this. That should help, but I'm going to go ahead and add the company name. I want to, let's see here. So it essentially makes it easy for you to set up your account, and I'm going to connect my URL domain to this, and I'm just going to add it to here. And this help is really helpful because it actually, if you ever need help, you can click on chat with us or contact them directly to, as long as you contact them during the regular hours, then you should be able to connect with them. And this is how it will look. Looks pretty cool on mobile and desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And what is the main advertising goal? We want to get more website sales. We found Google Analytics on your website. Connect your info to get a clear picture of your ad performance, and that is what you definitely want to do. So we actually set up GA4, Google Analytics 4, right? And so what customer action should your campaign be optimized to deliver? Customers begin checkout, which is the recommended. Customers add a cart. Customers complete a purchase. And customers complete. So we want to try to get people to begin that checkout process, right? And so also measure the following actions. Customers add items to cart, yes. So this Google Ads setup is primarily for e-commerce, right? And so here we can actually start to build out our campaigns. And I'm going to just go ahead and set up the first few ads. Okay, so you can add some more key, gym and fitness equipment. I'm going to say pull-up bar for home pull-up bar, pull-up bar guide for beginners. Let's see what else we can include here. How to do pull-ups. For beginners. So they give you a 30 character limit, and so I'm just going to just add that. Let's add home gym equipment. Cool. What else can we add? When you click on the drop down, it actually gives you some suggestions as well. Gym equipment for everybody based on ideas and your enjoy daily exercise. building. I like this one, building a home gym. What else? I want to have Alexa AMZ branded. Like so. Home exercise equipment. And I also want to have gym accessories. Fitness. What else can we use? Home gym. Gym equipment for everybody. So you can do up to 15 headlines. We're going to add some descriptions. I believe you can add up to 4. Should be able. So high quality exercise equipment for. Okay. So we want to I'm going to focus primarily on United States right now. And so let's add our. We can always change the phone number afterwards, but it'll be a 1-800 number. And so it's going to go ahead and find the phone number to include here. Oops. Add any keywords to match your search ads. So I'm going to add fitness, maybe not instruments, exercise equipment, gym equipment, fitness supplies, fitness equipment. Pull-up bar. Home gym. Oops. Home gym. Home gym equipment. Pull-up bar for doorway. And I want to do pull-up bar for doorway. I'm going to add chin-up bar. Pull-up bar doorway. Okay, so I actually don't want to waste too much ad spend, so I'm just going to keep it primarily around pull-up bars, actually, and chin-up bars. Okay, looks good. Next. And I want to advertise primarily to United States. Then hit next. Select the budget. So I'm going to use the recommended amount first. And campaign name, I'm going to call it pull-up bar. Let's see what else. Next. And this is where you would actually put in more of your information here. And so billing Canada looks good. Organization, so you have to put in your business information. I'm just gonna check something out here. So when you click on Google Ads, you go into the ads account, this is what it'll look like. It's going to ask to input in some business information. And so yeah, it looks like it's doing that right now. So I'm just gonna leave it at that, go back to this page, and then put in the information. So you can actually see the customer ID here, which is at the top, the 510-that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in the credit card information and whatnot. And so all right, let's get back into this. So it's asking, just you have to fill out, you want to fill out you need to agree to the Google Ads terms and conditions, and then want personalized campaign guidance from Google Ads by phone. Get tips. Nope. Yes. I actually successfully applied $600 credit when you spend $600. That's fantastic. All right. So you're all done. We'll review your campaign usually within an hour. After approved, you can edit and check the progress. So that's great. and you can download the app so you can actually track it online. And you should receive an email saying that you have successfully created your Google Ads account. It's pending. So you should receive an email that says something like this. Welcome to Google Ads. You've joined millions of businesses around the world that are reaching their goals by advertising online. So yeah, it's pretty awesome.